Google made $300 billion last year, but a chatbot that didn't even exist 18 months ago is coming for its crown. And it's not just catching up, it's already replacing how people search. While Google gives you 10 blue links, ChatGPT gives you answers. No scrolling, no ads, no friction. And the longer that goes on, the more money Google loses. But this goes way deeper than just convenience. In the past year, Google has lost billions of search impressions, and not to Bing, to AI tools like ChatGPT. Internally, even Google saw this coming. A leaked memo titled "We Have No Moat" said it outright. They're vulnerable, and they know it. So what's actually happening? ChatGPT changed the game by giving people something Google never offered: a real conversation. Not search, dialogue. You ask, it answers. You ask again, it adjusts. It can summarize, translate, explain, even debug your code. It's fast, it's personal. And for a lot of people, it's better. And here's where it really hurts. Every time someone skips Google to use ChatGPT, Google loses revenue. Because Google doesn't sell search, it sells ads. And no searches means no clicks. And no clicks means no money. Google tried to fight back, first with Bard, then with Gemini. But Gemini hallucinated facts, invented sources, and in some cases, refused to answer at all. Meanwhile, ChatGPT quietly rolled out a voice assistant so human-sounding, people are using it like a real conversation. It's live now, and it's only the beginning. Google disrupted the world in 1998, but now it's the one being disrupted. The question isn't if AI will replace Google, it's whether Google can evolve fast enough to survive it. If this is what AI did in a year, what happens in 2 or 5? That's what this channel's tracking, the shift that's happening now, and where it's going next. Hit subscribe, because Google might not be the only thing getting replaced.